Good morning, folks. Let's see if old Big Nasty want to fire up this morning. And it's nasty, I'm telling you. She's an old girl. Excuse me, I'm burping my coffee, man. You know you got to wait on that wait light. All right. Come on, baby. Oh, man. Let's cut on some lights. We're going to check our trailer lights out. Got our hazards going. Got our park lights on. We got chicken lights, fella. Let's go see what this trailer's doing down here. Woo-wee! Nothing like it, folks. Chicken lights and diesel fumes. Old retired trucker, dadgummit. That light ain't working. We got a light right here. That one's working, but she ain't blinking. All right, let's see what's going on over here. We got nothing on this side. That one's working. All right. Good afternoon, folks. As you can see, we got some broken trailer lights. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your vehicle, how to check your trailer, and I'm going to teach you where the wiring goes and how to repair it. Yellow left, green right, brown park, and most important, your white, which is your ground. You must have a good ground in order for it to work. So, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go get some tools and get this puppy fixed. All right, folks, step one on your vehicle, turn your hazard lights on, turn your park lights on. Okay, and you're going to need a test light. Okay, any old test light will do. They're cheap. Pick you up one. Find you a good ground. I'm going to ground to the back of the bumper because my bumper is metal. Okay, maybe. All right, I'm grounded to the bumper. Now, what we're doing, we're going to go, the exposed one here is your ground. One of these three will be your park lights. The other two will be your left and your right blinkers or brake lights, which is the same thing. All right, this one's on steady. So we know that that is your park lights, which is your brown wire on your trailer harness. That's either left or right. And that's either left or right. Now, if that's working, your brake lights are going to work, okay? Now, if you got one that's not working, turn your hazard lights off, turn the ignition switch on in your vehicle, turn on your left blinker, come back here, either this one will be blinking or this one will be blinking. Do the same thing on the right side. And that way you can determine which one is working, which one is not. Now, we know that we've got power here. So we want to make sure that we've got a ground here. The way you do that, we know our test light is working. We know we've got power. Now we want to check ground. So what we'll do, all we've got to do is just clamp onto that. And that shows us we have a ground on the white wire, which is very important, especially on LEDs. LED lights are a lot more picky than iridescent. Got my little helper back here. What's it doing, Chick Chick? Okay. Take your test light. I'm just grounding right there on the back of the stud of the tail light. And then what we're going to do is take our test light And these are these cheap lights. You can see I've got a steady light there and blinky right there. Okay, so that tells me our wiring is working on this side. All I did was took the 4 screws out and remove that lens. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of these, put some new LED lights on, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we went ahead and pulled these lights off and put our new ones on. These always get real rusty on the inside, but one of these is park and one of these will be your brake and your turn signal. So, but generally these are just a booger to keep working after some time. Now on the trailer, so I get you around here, I'm sitting on the ground. Yellow left, your brown is your park, and your white is your ground. And you can see, clean this up where you bolt these in so that you get a good connection on your ground. So yellow left, green is on your right. Okay, the other side will just have a green wire, a brown wire, and a white wire. So your yellow serves as your turn signal and brake light. Your brown wire is your park lights or running lights. Your white wire is your ground. So thanks for watching, folks. Let me show you that these things work right quick before we go. All right, these are our little clearance lights on this little trailer. You can see they are working just like they're supposed to. This little trailer we don't pull with this truck. We usually use it with the little truck. But anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. We're on this right side. There's that green wire. See, you got a green, a brown, and a park. These connectors, one more thing. You could buy these and they have heat shrink. You just take your lighter and you already got heat shrink right after you crimp them and keep the moisture out so your connection stays good. Anyhow, hope everyone has a great day. Got any questions, leave a comment. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.